We all know that Tinubu Ahmed has a very serious case in court that has been lingering for some time now, though the case has been in court for a long time. But really, we don't know if he's going to survive the case this time around, because the case keeps coming on and on and on. And remember that he has an ambition for 2023 as a presidential ambition for 2023. But with this case hanging on his neck, how far can he go? Because now the case is out one time or the other, is here and there. It keeps coming up and going off. But because of some of those high positions he has handled. He was a one-time governor of Lagos State. He did 2 terms, and of course he's also the leader of the All Progressive Congress. So really, he has done some things for most of the Southwest region, and they know him very well, and they respect him as a leader and someone that has been in politics for a very long time. So that alone has actually saved him a lot of embarrassment, especially for cases like this, because it's a very serious case and all of that. But now that the case is up again, how is he really going to handle it this time around? Yet all of that we are going to find out on this very report. But I hope that if you have not subscribed, please ensure you do so right away, and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get updated anytime we drop a new video. All right, guys, let us get right into the details of this report. As it says, checks reveal that the fraud cases against Tinubu dated as far back as 1998, raising questions on how the former governor struggled to delay the acts of the law. Exactly what we're saying, because of some of the high positions he has handled before. This case has been swept under the carpet, and now the case is out, and again it could be swept under the carpet. For how long has he been doing this? For how long is this going to keep going on? Anyway, former governor of Lagos State and national leader of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Tinubu, has court cases around massive frauds hanging on his neck, as his supporters and proxies drum support for him for 2023 presidency. There were checks that revealed that the fraud cases against Tinubu dated as far back as 1998, raising questions on how the former governor struggled to delay the acts of the law. The APC leader has yet to come out officially to declare his 2023 ambition, although many of his godsons are already in the forefront of negotiations across stakeholders. First, in the Southwest region, on February 18, 2009, it was reported and obtained original copies of a judgment in the case of United States versus Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in which Tinubu was charged along with other defendants in a case of massive drug trafficking and money laundering. The judgment directly relates to and further documents the report of September 16, 2008, how U.S. federal agents successfully linked Tinubu to drug trafficking ring in Chicago, United States of America, by its attorney Michael J. Shepard, United States Attorney for North District of Illinois, for its verified complaint of forfeiture, stated that beginning as early as 1998, Adegboyega Muiz Akande, with others, operated an organization which distributed white heroin, a controlled substance under Title 21 of the United States Code. This distribution operation was conducted on a large scale, and the proceeds of the operation substantial. The judgment was that the court ordered that the funds in the amount of $460,000 in account in the name of Bola Tinubu represent proceeds of narcotics or were involved in financial transaction in violation of 18 U.S.C. SS 1956 and 1957, and therefore these funds are forfeited to the United States. After protracting litigation in which Bola Tinubu claimed that the monies legitimately belonged to him, his wife Oluremi Tinubu, and his surrogate mother, one Alhaja Mogaji, Bola Tinubu finally opted for a stipulated settlement with the U.S. government. According to the settlement order dated September 15, 1993, Honorable Judge John A. Norberg ordered the sum of $460,000 held by Bola Tinubu in the First Heritage Bank account be forfeited to the United States government. A bigger scandal was uncovered in 2018 with Alpha Beta, a consultancy owned by Bola Tinubu, was caught at the center of a 100 billion naira fraud, tax evasion, and money laundering petition written by Mr. Dakpo Akpara, its managing director and chief executive officer. According to Akpara's petition to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Alpha Beta has become an avenue for official corruption of government officials, a conduit pipe for massive money laundering scheme, tax evasion, among other vices. In the petition sent on his behalf by Adetunji Adegboyega ESG, his solicitors, Akpara said, over the years the company is being protected and shielded by some powerful politicians and people in the society, which made them to always boast of being untouchable. But our client, feeling the need not to keep quiet again and strengthened by his belief in the fact that the government of President Buhari is keen on fighting corruption, which has been the bane of our country, is of the firm belief that it's time to expose and open the can of worms called Alpha Beta Consulting. Alpha Beta first became known when it was appointed as a consultant to the Lagos state government, arguably its first client, under the tenure of Babatunde Fowler as the chief executive officer and executive chairman of the Lagos State Board of Internal Revenue from 2005 to 2014. The company got the appointment when Tinubu was governor of Lagos State. The speculations, which has yet to dissipate since then, is that Tinubu completely owns or a major shareholder in the company. In the same vein, the state has also never denied claims that the company takes about 10% of the internally generated revenue of Lagos, estimated in 2016 to be about 40 billion naira every month. The court process was still on when on October 27, 2020, hoodlums burnt the documents during the riotous EndSARS violence in the state. The court paper stating charge brought against Tinubu, his tax consultancy firm, Alpha Beta Consulting, by former MD Dakpo Akpara, were burnt according to claims by Tade Ikpadiola, Akpara's lawyer. But we all know how they turn out, how these things are being turned out. How could you tell us that that document was burnt? Tinubu did not keep it in his safe in his mansion. He rather kept it in a family house that he does not stay. Who is the fool here? Anyway, my people, that is it. We hope that he does not even try to come out in the 2023 presidential election in any way, because he's definitely going to fail. And all those of you that is his fan, well, congratulations to you. But we hope that he does not show his face in 2023. So guys, that is it. I hope you drop your comments and tell us what you think, and also give this video a thumbs up. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.